Hi, this is Michael from Fraud Monitor. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Fraud Monitor for your iPhone, which helps protect you from scam messages, phone calls, and websites. So with your iPhone open, you want to go to the App Store. You want to go to Search and enter Fraud Monitor. And here you'll see Fraud Monitor. You can click on the link to get some more information about what we provide, some screenshots, and of course, I'd appreciate it if you leave a rating and review. So next you want to click the download button. And then open. And now you'll see Fraud Monitor is now open on your iPhone. In order to get it functioning, you do have to sign up for a subscription. However, it is free for 30 days. You can cut it off at any time. I want to take a moment to explain something really important about my Fraud Monitor application. I don't need your name, your email address, your phone number, or your credit card information. The app operates on complete anonymity, and because we use the Apple subscription service, we don't collect any information about you or the transaction. It's completely managed by Apple. So let's go ahead and start the free trial. Subscribe. And now we hit OK to complete the transaction. Now to set it up, you do have to do a couple of things on your phone. Because text message filtering, browser protection, and cell phone blocking is sensitive, they want you to physically enable each one of these services. So let's go to text message filtering, enable message filter, and you have to follow these instructions. So we'll do these steps one by one. Let's open settings. Let's go back to apps and swipe down to messages. Swipe down to unknown and spam and select Fraud Monitor as your text message filtering service. After reading this pop-up, you want to hit enable. Okay, so that's done. Let's go to the next step. Browser protection. Open settings, go back to apps, scroll down until you see Safari, scroll down to extensions, and you want to make sure the Fraud Monitor extension is on. And it is on. Let's go back to Fraud Monitor, go back, go to call blocking, click on enable call blocking. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go to open settings, go back to apps, scroll down to phone, and then scroll down until you find call blocking and identification, and you want to turn Fraud Monitor on. And finally, while you're in the phone settings, go to SMS and call reporting and select Fraud Monitor as your SMS call reporting extension. This means that if you get a message or a phone call that you don't want, you can immediately report it directly to Fraud Monitor, and we'll use that to train our AI and better protect you going forward. And that's it. At any time, if you need any help, you can go to help and support. We give you the link to our website. You can email us directly, and you can ask us any questions at any time. And because you subscribed through Apple, it is very easy to cancel our subscription, and I'll show you how to do that right now. So to cancel Fraud Monitor, or any subscription for that matter, you'll want to go to the App Store, click on your icon, go to subscriptions, click on the subscription that you don't want, and hit cancel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope Fraud Monitor helps you protect yourself from scams. Please like, subscribe, and tell your friends and family, and always know before you click.